do you level your ladder on uneven ground? You need the Pivot Ladder Tool from ProVision Tools. The Pivot levels an extension ladder in seconds, providing you a quicker, safer way to work. Tired of indoor chores being so risky? The Pivot Ladder Tool adjusts to varying degrees of uneven surfaces, yet has no moving parts. It's easy to set up for all those hard-to-reach projects around the house. It's portable and can easily be moved from extension ladder to extension ladder. The Pivot employs hundreds of rubber gripper feet, which keeps the pivot from slipping, and its non-skid material helps keep the foot of the ladder secure. Now you can work in all those awkward, hard-to-reach places with ease. For your scaffolding needs, secure a second Pivot Ladder Tool over the ladder rung, and you have a convenient walkboard support. Pivot has a duty rating of 500 pounds.
The Hyde 17-in-1 painter's tool puts an entire toolbox into one tool. The scraper blade has a sharp, angled edge that gets under paint, and can also be used for applying spackle or wood putty. Use the sharp point to remove caulk or plaster debris for wall repair. Remove nails or brads, or reset nails and pop screws with the hammerhead end. Open paint cans, and clean rollers when the job's done, regular or mini rollers. For spray jobs, you have 2 wrench sizes to make hose connections or to remove light fixtures. Remove the hammerhead end. There, you'll find a nail set and a scribe, plus 4 screw bits. The 17th use? That's 17 uses, 1 tool. The Hyde 17-in-1 painter's tool. There when you need it.
Mixing concrete in small batches has always been challenging with traditional tools. That's why we invented the mix mat. The mix mat is a heavy-duty reinforced textile that's built to last. You can use it with 1 or 2 people.
With the mix mat on the ground, place the mix on top. Then add water. I usually like to add water as I go. When mixing, focus on folding the batch over itself. To mix by yourself, grab 2 handles in each hand, fold the pile of water and mix onto itself while moving forward and backward until completely mixed. To mix with 2 people, each person grabs 1 handle in each hand. Once you're ready to pour, hold all handles and lift the opposite side of the mix mat that you are pouring from. The weight of the concrete will create a tight V shape for precise pouring. Cleaning the mix mat is easy. Drape over anything, like a fence or a ladder, then just rinse off with a hose.
The Waltz T-Stack organizers are comprised of 4 modular storage units. With each unit sold separately, they offer a customized solution for convenience and transportability. Regardless of the trade you work in, this system allows you to build a personalized storage unit around your job's needs. Ball-bearing slides help each unit to open and close easily. Furthermore, they have bimaterial handles for comfortable lifting. The units are made of a durable polypropylene to withstand the regular job site rigors that toolboxes endure. For storing small parts and accessories, this unit has 2 drawers with dividers in each one. This is beneficial for organization and accessibility. The second unit contains 4 small and 2 large removable cups with lids inside of a pull-out drawer. This allows electricians and other tradesmen to easily store hand tools and organize small parts. These 2 units are ideal for carpenters and tradesmen carrying their power tools. Both contain large storage spaces and can fit a customizable foam or plastic insert to help protect your tools while transporting the unit. The large handled unit helps for ease of carrying and contains an organizer for small parts. This new line of storage products are ideal for professionals such as technicians, electricians, HVAC installers, contractors, finish carpenters, and a host of other tradesmen. Rely on a trusted name that's backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Rely on DeWalt.
Is this how you try to mark an angle? Well, Incra has a better way. The Incra Marking Protractor, an easy-to-use precision tool for marking any angle on any workpiece. The red T-bar ensures exact placement along the edge of your work, while the view window makes it easy to find and align with your starting point. And like all Incra rules, microfine marking holes and slots at every position locate your mark exactly. No effort, no eye strain, perfect accuracy. The red T-bar is removable for using the protractor on the interior of your workpiece. The see-through window aligns the crosshairs. Then place your mark at the interior 5-degree scale, the outer 1-degree scale, or the ultra-fine half-degree scale. You can't miss. And finally, it's a 6-inch centering scale with marking holes and a precision compass too.
This innovative ergonomic design features a 62-degree angled head, delivering a more natural feel and reduced strain on the wrist. Every pair of Irwin Vice Grip cutting pliers features industry-leading 3-zone comfort grips, delivering optimal cushion and control. The grips are equipped with patented integrated hooks designed to attach to the Irwin Performance Lanyard System. This exclusive lanyard system helps prevent accidental drops when working in elevated conditions, helping to protect both workers and property from injury and damage. One cut and you'll feel the difference. Irwin Vice Grip cutting pliers. Try them for yourself.